Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me iPhone 14 Pro Max, and now I'm gonna show you how to speed up your device. So, cool. As you can see, today I'm going to show you how to speed up iOS device. And of course, if your iOS device is new, that it's probably working fine as it is. But if your device is 3 or more years old, then you probably need to take some steps to speed up your device. And now I will show you these steps. So first of all, you need to understand what is slowing down your device. One way or another is the amount of disk space that affects the performance of your device the most. So of course, people who have invested in a device with a lot of internal memory later encounter a slowing down of its devices. The thing is that in order for your device to always work fast, you should try to always leave at least 30% of the storage free. Now I will show you how to find out what takes up the most memory and how to clear the memory. First, open the settings, then select Main, General, then Storage, iPhone Storage. As you can see here, we can see how much memory is being used and how much free memory is left. Okay. So here we have 250 gigabytes free. I have my phone in very good condition. So if you have only I don't know 12 gigabytes free, it seems that you need to free up the space on your device. So if you notice here you can see the apps on your device, and here you can see how many space it contains, it consumes of your memory. So if you decide the application that you need that you don't need an app, you can simply uninstall it from your device by clicking on two buttons. For example, you want to uninstall Revolution. You decide that you are not playing on this game, or you don't love this game. Just click on it, click delete app, and click delete app. Wait a while, and great. Application was successfully uninstalled. But if you have an application that you are use very rarely, but sometimes you need it very much and you don't want to lose any data from it, you can unload the application from your storage, and this is the opportunity the iPhone gives you. And when you want to use it again, you can quickly download it and continue where you left off. So for example, it's GarageBand, 1.65 gigabytes it use. So just click Offload app. As you can see, this will free up storage used by the app, but keeps its documents and data. Reinstalling the app will reinstall your data if the app is still available in the App Store. So just click Offload, and as you can see now, it uses only 500 kilobytes, not megabytes, but only kilobytes on my storage. As you can see, I have this application here on my settings, but I need to reinstall it to use, and I will use it with from the place where I am left off this application. The next step you can take is to upload your photos and videos to the cloud storage. You can use iCloud or any other cloud storage you like. For example, iCloud gives you 5 gigabytes of the storage for free. You can buy 50 more, but for just $1 a month. You can expand your iCloud storage up to 2 terabytes in total, but the more storage you want, the more expensive the storage will be. You can also use other cloud storage, such as Google Drive or Microsoft OneDrive or Mega. Google provides 15 gigabytes for free and Mega provides as much as 50. And the last step you can take to clean up the space on your device is to see if you have any unnecessary downloaded files. To do this, open the application Files, open Files, and here click Browse, and here on my iPhone. Here you will see all files on your iPhone, and if you decide that you don't need these files, just click and hold on this file and click remove. I can't remove it. Wait, why? Oh, okay, I'm so sorry. If you have the folder, you can't remove it, or I can select and remove. I can't remove it. I don't know why I can't remove it. So I will try remove the files from this folder. So I want to remove it, and now I want to remove the folder. Okay, folder is empty. I just need to remove all files from the folder. Okay, so just remove all unnecessary files from your files application. And great, now you can remove objects. Now you can remove all files you don't need anymore. And the second aspect that can affect the performance of your system is full RAM. Again, the winners are those who have invested in a device with a lot of RAM, but unfortunately I can't give any recommendation to clean the RAM on mobile devices from Apple, because the company doesn't allow third-party application to kill processes in RAM. So you yourself need to get rid of applications that consume an abnormal amount of RAM on your device. These are apps like, I don't know, Chrome, TikTok, Messenger maybe. So, well, I hope I was able to help you free up space on your device and speed up your iPhone. That's it. Thank you very much. Give me a like, subscribe to our channel, comment this video, and bye. See you.